We're skating this like A-frame, hubba, ledge, rail, miniature thing. It literally looks like somebody made this. I hate how often I use literally. It looks like something that they would have made and put at a skate park, but it's not. It's in a parking lot. I don't know what this business is or does, but it's here. I don't know what they use it for, but it looks like a skate park. Man, it's really tough to try to not say literally all the time. We're gonna go skate it. We tried to come here like a week and a half ago. Jason got kicked out and all the Future Mob got kicked out when we were here. I showed up right as they were getting kicked out and I didn't get a chance to skate it. So we're gonna try and get a little session in. Is that door unlocked? Oh, really?
Or not today. It's your lucky day. Usually it's unlocked.
Oh, we got a hop. I didn't hear what you said. What did you say?
I said it might be a bus because they have cops on campus.
Oh, really?
They're like, just hang out here.
Do they get really pissed?
I don't know. I've never seen them kick any
Push.
because they do like.
Okay.
So we have a couple minutes.
Probably, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, sick. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
That counts as permission.
Ooh. Now you gonna snitch him out, bro?
I don't know his name.
I'm like, what did the guy say we good?
He was male. He's a male figure.
All right, well, let's do this fast.
Ooh, nice ass, bro. What the? Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
I guess I didn't have to hop.
We get that. Dude, what is this? This looks like a skateboarder just came here and made this.
Oh, it's just for them to like walk over him to like get their.
Oh.
Oh, that's why all these things are here.
Oh, it's physical therapy.
Oh, makes sense. Well, this is already grinded, so it's okay. Not like we're completely destroying it.
It's true, we didn't do that. Okay. Okay. I didn't hear the last thing.
Sit in, it's the last one.
Oh, okay. All right.
Give you a citation.
All right, no worries. Have a good one. He's coming.
Just put your name in my computer.
All right. So are we good to go? All right, cool.
Dale?
What?
Dale?
Yes, sir. That's me. Clearly, we can never go back to that spot again. But Jason said he knew of a backyard pool, an abandoned backyard pool. We can see it from the street. There's no house here, just the pool is here. I have never actually skated a real backyard pool that's been emptied and not occupied by any humans who own the property or anything. So we're gonna try and skate this. I don't know if it's dirty or what. But you just walk right through? What? How is this just like here? Is it all fucked up? No. We can skate it?
Yeah, but it's super deep, dude.
Bro.
Oh, that is very fun.
Dude, what? I'm not like a transition skater, so I'm not even gonna be able to probably grind the coping, but we're still gonna ride it. Bro, this shit is so sketch. There's like, this fucking coping looks like it's about to fall off. There's like a hole down there that there's a piece of sheet metal over. Backyard pools are no fucking joke. This is crazy. People legitimately do gnarly tricks on this kind of stuff. Dude, look at this. Look at this like piece missing. There's a glass right there. There's like chunks missing out of the concrete. This shit's sketch, bro. It's so rough. You think I can get over the thing?
Yeah, do it.
I can get over it. Can I get over it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, this shit's scary, bro.
Are you for sure?
I don't know how people skate this kind of shit. People like Raven Tershi and what's the dude on fucking Birdhouse? What's that dude's name? Ben Rayborn.
That's it.
Grant Taylor. Dudes like that. I don't know how they skate stuff like this. It's so crazy. the ladder was right there. Bro, we out or what?
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here, bro. This is not our scene, bro.
We're not gonna
skate some baby ledges.
Yeah, we're not gonna skate this shit. This shit's too hardcore for us, dude. All right, so this is right against the water, obviously. Jason's gonna grind it. It's a little rail. Look, you can see, it actually grinds.
Yo, what I say? First try.
Yeah!
Oh, yo, you guys are wanting me to fall. We want him to fall.
You got that?
I'm like, dude, I'm like moving. This thing's all, yeah. Oh shit, watch out. Oh! I'm scared, dude.
Oh, shit!
I'm so scared.
Ah.
I'm so scared. Dude, it's so fucking slick though.
My bad.
You put too much wax on it, bro.
Oh, you're gonna eat.
I was like pinched all over on this side. I'm scared. Should I try back tail? I feel like back tail might be fine. Oh my god, I'm fucking.
Well, I thought you fucking fell.
That doesn't fucking count. You have to get it. You have to get it.
Same. Ah, my knee. Yo,
Oh my god. I'm shaking, bro. I just gotta be like 100% okay if my board falls in. Like, am I gonna be like okay with it if it does?
yo.
I'm afraid of going in the water.
Oh.
Oh, fuck you. Get the fuck out of here.
Get it. Fuck that one.
Fucking bitch, dude. Fuck this.
I was so gonna push him in if he didn't land. I was gonna push you in.
Really? Yeah. Try
Oh, don't you have boards at your house?
try lip side.
On this?
Yeah, you think you can?
I'm pretty sure I'll snap it. It's already waterlogged and shit, that's why. And I'm heavy.
Oh, fuck!
Oh my god!
Hey, the board! Damn, you fucking god.
What the fuck? I did not know he was gonna do that. What a bitch. Bro,
Come back
fuck
down.
you, Dale, you fucking asshole.
Sorry, bro. I had to do
Hey,
it.
jump in there.
That's good.
I had to do it before you did it.
That was good, bro.
I couldn't reach it at first. Like, I was like, oh my god, no, where did it go?
I know, I
fucking was
swear
like,
to
in
God,
there, fucking-
bro.
I had to
I
reach
swear,
down so far.
when I seen it fall down, I was like, "Fuck!" I literally seen that shit sinking in, and I was like,
Dude.
I thought Jason was actually gonna like dive in there real quick to swim and shit and get it real quick. Should have pulled down like.
I thought you were going to. That's why I like cat out real quick. I thought he was
Yo,
gonna
I did
pull
not
me
think
in.
of that. I was trying to get the fuck out.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, say hi. I'll say hi back. On Sunday night was the last night to purchase anything from the Slammin' Summer drop. That is now closed down. We will be back soon on September 15th with the fall drop. So thank you guys for everyone who's bought something from summer drop. September 15th is the day that all of the new stuff is arriving, along with the new photo book / zine. People always ask me what a zine is. A zine is a photo book, a collection of photos in a book. So it's a picture book, basically. Also, too, I made a Twitch. Now, I know nothing about Twitch. I don't know how Twitch works, but we're giving this a shot. People live stream stuff on there. I want to live stream like conversation-y, podcasty type stuff. I'm not starting a podcast, so that's not what it is. But I just would like to have guests on to talk about a topic, not to like interview the guest, but to have a discussion about a specific topic, like videos that I've uploaded to YouTube in the past. I'll still probably do videos like that on YouTube, but I want to try out a new platform because why the hell not? So the link for my Twitch is in the description. I'm not sure what you do, if you subscribe, if you friend, if you add, whatever, but it's down there. And I'll be announcing soon when I'm gonna go live on Twitch. I don't know when yet, but it's probably gonna be like one day a week or something where I get a guest and we talk about shit. Anyway, thank you guys. That's it. I'll see you next time.